With his super funny, all over the place personality, with extreme ADHD, he's able to grab your attention and make you watch for hours. Mizkif, or Matthew Ronaldo.
Matthew Ronaldo.
And we're just gonna watch Pokemon eat a fucking pear, or whatever the hell this thing is, alright?
So if you are a first-time watcher of Mizkif, you will probably feel like this is chaotic, this is just too random, and this guy just sidetracks all of the time.
So let me do it.
So anyway, chat. Do it real quick. But when I was a kid, I actually, when I was a kid.
And if you are watching more than one of his streams, you will soon figure out in all of this chaos, there will be something similar in every single stream that is kinda his red thread. Mizkif has one superpower that I really enjoy to see. You see, Mizkif has ADHD, and if you don't know, Google it, but me personally, I have it myself, and it's really fun to see someone else on a live stream just being themselves.
But the problem with traditional media IRL style, especially that I personally don't like as a viewer, right, is I do not like women. I don't like, what was I gonna say? No, it's not OTK Black, you idiot. I don't like, now I know why I don't have a Twitch contract. I don't like, what am I doing? Am I reaching for my content? What don't I like? I don't even remember what I was saying.
And yes, it just makes the stream so much more fun to watch. He can in one moment react to a video and in the next moment read something from the chat that was related to the video, but he thinks about something completely else and starts to talk about something completely else, and he just forgets where he was. If someone comes into the room with him, he will get distracted again, and it's a sidetrack on a sidetrack on a sidetrack, and it's just so much fun to watch.
Time! That's gotta be the world record! That's gotta be the world record!
And me personally, with ADHD myself, I can totally relate, and you just lose all of your focus and you're just hyper and you just want to sing, and yeah, it can be really fun, and especially in front of a camera and when you're live, it's just super nice to see someone being themselves 100% with ADHD.
Wait, Snuff, do you want to be my date next year for the award show?
No.
Oh,
I'll
that
be
was
right
so
back.
sad.
I'll
I
be
was
right
so excited for you.
What people actually enjoy is when someone is reacting to a video. And Mizkif is actually really good at reacting to videos. He pauses at the right moment, he adds stuff to the video that makes the whole thing so much better to watch, and he's funny, and everything just works out.
There's nothing worse than this. There's nothing worse than this. It will never get worse than this. This is the worst clip of all time. It is the worst clip of all time. It is the worst clip of all time. I can't even watch it. I'm gonna turn around. I can't do it. It's so bad.
2019 makes the move.
Gotta watch it. Oh my god.
I think it's a nice song. Do you have fun today?
Oh my god. Oh, that poor guy, man.
The way Mizkif has his open door policy, which literally means that anyone that wants to can just join his stream whenever they feel like it. And that is just super cool, because you will never know who is gonna walk through the door. It can be another streamer, it can be a celebrity. And in 99% of the time, the people that comes through the door will have a really good connection with him that will just level the stream up another level and makes everything so much better. How a Door made this streamer 1 million is a video where Ludwig was trying to make a point, but that point is so true. The open door policy that Mizkif has is just genius. Also, his YouTube channel is just super clever, and he does the same thing that I was talking about in the last video. The same thing that Ludwig does, where basically you grab a moment from your stream and turn it into a TikTok and a YouTube video and a YouTube Shorts. That makes like 3 different types of content, and your viewers can either rewatch a really fun moment from your stream that they saw live, or if they wasn't enabled to see your stream, they could just see the best parts.
Are you my friend just because of content?
No. Told you.
Mizkif is actually really good when it comes to connecting with his viewers. As an example, Mizkif will sometimes have a lucky wheel with a bunch of different stuff. It can be literally anything. Turn off the stream, stare at the wall for like 10 minutes, gift 100 subs, do push-ups, do sit-ups, Whatever the lucky wheel lands on, every single time he fulfills the promises and he does it. He has been having so many really good high-end quality shows that is almost like a TV show, and everything is produced on his Twitch channel. Some of the shows are just a complete rip-off, but it doesn't really matter because it's on Twitch and it's really fun to watch. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and you can comment whatever you want to in the comment section. Give me feedback, comment a random emoji, let's see something fun in the comment section, and subscribe if you are new. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye.